Hi, this is Todd with Mag-Torch, and today I'm excited to tell you about our new MagCommander MT545 propane regulated self-lighting torch. This is a great torch. One of the new features we have on it is the flame control knob. It's a 180 degrees flame control knob, so we just simply turn it about to the middle till we hear the light hiss of the gas, pull the trigger, and we have a nice web flame. This is a great torch to do all-purpose work, soft solder, thaw pipes, and also because it's a regulated torch, I can use this torch inverted or despite angle of operation, ambient temperature, or amount of fuel that's left in the cylinder, I'm going to get a more consistent flame. So even for woodworking, this regulated flame allows me to use this torch inverted, and I can patina wood to do any crafting or any furniture upfitting or any other craft and hobby job that I have. So this is a great new torch, ergonomic new grip, great new style to extinguish the torch. You just simply turn it all the way back to the original spot and the torch goes out. So wonderful brand new torch. Please see us at MagTorch for any of our other information on this torch or any other ones that we have in our lineup.